In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install and remove Figma plugins. First, make sure you have your design file open in Figma. Plugins run inside a file, so having a canvas visible helps you see results right away. Let's start with installing and running plugins. If you already know the name of a plugin you've installed before, the fastest way to open it is with the quick search. Press Ctrl+/ or Ctrl+K. To bring up the search bar, start typing the plugin's name, then select it to launch. This is great for plugins you already have and want to use immediately. If you need to find and install a new plugin, go to the main menu in the top left corner. The Figma icon, then choose Plugins and select Manage Plugins. This takes you to your plugin management area, where you can search for plugins by name or keyword. Type what you are looking for. Select the plugin from the results, and click Install. Once it's installed, you can run it right away. Search for the plugin's name and click Run to use it immediately. If the plugin requests permissions, review them and proceed so it can work properly on your file. From now on, you can launch it with the same quick search method or through the plugins menu whenever you need it. Now, let's remove or uninstall plugins you no longer use. This helps keep your workspace tidy and speeds up your workflow. Click the main menu in the top left corner. Choose Plugins and then Manage Plugins. You can also get to the same place by right-clicking anywhere on the canvas. Selecting Plugins and choosing Manage Plugins. In the list of your installed plugins, locate the one you want to remove. On the right side of that plugins row, click the three-dot menu and choose Remove. Confirm if prompted. The plugin will be uninstalled and it will no longer appear in your quick search or the plugins list. This does not affect your design files. It simply removes the tool from your account, so your menus stay focused on what you actually use. That's it. Thanks for watching.